Ndereti ĩgiĩ gũcokio kwa marĩhi ma njoherera ma Ambunge no ĩthiĩte na mbere na kũgucĩrĩria mawoni matiganĩte. Rĩu atongoria makanitha makĩũria Ambunge gwĩcũrania makĩria ciĩgiĩ kwamũkĩra njoherera ici, kuona ũyũ gũkorwo ũrĩ mũrigo mũnene kũrĩ Akenya. Bishop David Thagana augĩte nĩ ũndũ wa kĩeha na mwiyendo mũnene kuona Ambunge makĩrũĩrĩra ũrĩa njoherera ici cia mamirioni ma mbeca igũcokio mategũcaĩra Akenya arĩa makoretwo na ihinda iritũ kumana na kuongerereka kwa ngarama ya mũtũrĩre.
I have started hearing them talking about reviewing their allowances, and we are asking ourselves, these are the same people who told us that they inherited an economy that was in ICU. They are the same people who have told us that they inherited a balance sheet that had just a few millions. So the question that we are asking is, where will the money come from to review their allowances?
Atongoria ya makanitha makiuga kũrĩ andũ mamathaga ũtongoria marongoreirie kwĩguna wene handũ ha kwĩhotha harĩ gũtungatĩra mũingĩ ũrĩa wa mathurire na kũmagĩrithĩria mũtũrĩre.
Wakati umeingia pale ofisini na ni hujamaliza hata mwezi na umeanza kuitisha allowances, inaonyeshana kwamba hauweki maslahi ya Wakenya mbele, unaweka ile ubinafsi na pengine ni tamaa kwa lugha nyingine inakuongoza. Sisi tungewaomba sana, wacha maswala ya mwananchi wa kawaida yawe ya kwanza ama ya kipaumbele katika ile bunge.
We would want servant leadership where people serve people not because of what they get but because they are servant and they want to be of service to them. We totally condemn the question of reviewing salaries at this time.
Tunafaa kukuwa very powerful watchdogs ili to make sure wanatufanyia kazi ile ambayo wanafaa kenye tuliwatuma kutufanyia kule bunge.
Wanabunge ni wachache, wanaenda kuongezwa mshahara na wenye wamewachagua huku ground wanaumia na wanalia.
Ama ikuwe ulikuwa unapiga siasa huku ground ukipeana pesa, sasa umepata mahali pa kurudishia. Jameni, tuzigatie na tuangalie Wanjiko kwanza. Mwananchi wa kawaida abaye ni hasira ule abaye unaona pale akifanya kazi ya bodaboda.
Speaker wa Ambunge Moses Wetangula mwambĩrĩrio wa cikaro cia gũthomithia Ambunge nĩ arithĩirie Ambunge atĩ gũtirĩ njoherera mekwehererio ta ũrĩa SRC yendekithĩtie. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.